Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel. Today we do lots of unboxings over here, and today I have a limited edition box. It's a mystery box at that, so I'm very excited because I have no idea what's going to be in this. So we are unboxing a mystery box from Too Faced Cosmetics. They usually will announce these mystery boxes like once or twice a year, but it's been a hot minute since they've released one. I've been keeping an eye on their website, and it's been a while since I've seen anything. So this is the newest one that they just came out with. It's $35, and you receive 4 beauty items inside of it. So of course, I had to order it. I also put up a post about it over on my community page here on YouTube. So some of you may have purchased it already and you know it's inside, but I haven't checked mine out yet. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and do this unboxing today. So like I mentioned, this is the mystery box from Too Faced Cosmetics. They did opt for a more recycled packaging look for this bundle. Usually in times past, I've actually had like a full-on mystery box. So I'm sure this is better, but it's definitely more boring. I gotta be real with you guys. The packaging, I mean, it's not doing anything for me. It's just a very simple mailer. Also, it is so small. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't mean anything, but it's just not as large as what I was expecting. And so already I'm like, oh dear. I do love that sound though. But if you guys do want to purchase this, they are still available right now. So I've got a link down below for you in that video description box. That way you can go on, buy your very own mystery bundle. My understanding is everyone will receive the exact same items that I'm about to share with you guys, that they are all the same. The estimated retail value on this is $90 for these 4 items. And then they do have free shipping if you spend $50 on their website. So if you want to buy this in something else on the website, then you'll get that free shipping. Otherwise, it is a $7 shipping fee if you order just this. Okay, I'm sneak peeking already. I'm like, what's in here? So all of the items are bundled together. I've definitely got 4 items here, but there's no bag or anything. So that's another thing that's different, is usually we get like a bag with this mystery box, but there's no bag this time. First item that I have inside of my mystery box is the Hangover Pillow Balm. This is the Ultra Hydrating and Nourishing Lip Treatment. So I believe this is a full-size product. I mean, usually lip items are just one size, usually. So I would assume this is, but I have never tried this product before. So if you guys have tried it, let me know if it's good or not down in the comments. It looks decent. I mean, I like the little pink color that it's got, but it says that this one is going to nourish and repair. It's a rich, creamy balm that has a blend of minerals inside of it. And it says that it's got fruit oils, conditioning butters, coconut water, and hyaluronic acid to give you soft, plump, hydrated lips. So it sounds great. I just have not tried it yet. Well, now I will because I have it, but next up, I have the eyeliner. This is the Better Than Sex eyeliner, and it is the waterproof liquid liner. So this is in the shade Black. They state that it will last for 24 hours and it will not fade, flake, or smudge while using this product. Now, this I have used, and I do like this eyeliner, you guys. So if you are looking for a liquid eyeliner that does last all day long, this is definitely it. So it is a really great product. I believe this is full size. We've got 0.6 mil here, and it is in the shade Black, so I do feel like it's a universal shade. The point on this is fantastic because it's so thin. You can really get in there and do your wings. I mean, it's great. Even for like that inner corner where I usually draw mine out a little bit, this is what you want, is a really thin point. So this is perfect. I approve of this one. Like already, very excited this is in there. We also have the Lip Injection Extreme. This is one of their lip plumpers. And I will say they work. If you want your lips to be plump and get a really natural glow on them, this absolutely works. Now, I do think they have one other one that is stronger than this. It's like Ultra Extreme or something like that. I forget what the name of it is, but to me, this works just perfectly fine. Like, I don't need anything stronger. It does make your lips a little tingly. Like, it's plumping. It definitely works, but I notice a difference after using their product. So this is just clear, so it will go over top of any lip color that you've applied, or you can put it on just your lips plain as well, and it will give you a really nice glow. It brings out your natural lip color, which I think is great. And then, like I said, it absolutely works with plumping. So if you've not tried it, I do recommend this one because I absolutely think it works. I'm just a little bummed that it is the smaller version. I mean, I know we only spent $35, but I would have loved to have had this in the full size. Like, that would have made this bundle really good. It's not bad. I will take it, but I wish it was full size. Last item that we have here today is an eyeshadow palette. And I kind of knew we were going to get a palette just based off of the photo. So I didn't know which one, but we have the Kitty Likes to Scratch eyeshadow palette. Now this is a full-size palette. They designed it to be a mini. So it looks small, but this is legitimately what it is. So this one says that it is going to be a perfect neutral palette. And it says it will give you a natural, sexy look that'll have you saying, me wow. I don't know if I can pull that off. I just sound cringy when I say it. But that's what it says on the box. I do love the packaging on these palettes. They're actually a tin, like it's a little metal tin. So it's kind of cool. And then inside, you're going to have a mirror up at the top. And then your shadows will be down below. So they're a gorgeous blend of neutrals. However, you do have some color in here. I mean, you really could give yourself a gorgeous look. I love that they give you some mattes. There's some shimmers in here. You've got the black. If you really want to smoke it out, you can do that. It's very versatile for not having many shadows in it because I feel like you can create a few different looks with this one. You know, all eyeshadow palettes should just be made out of these tins. Like, it feels so nice. Like, I like it. It's better than the cardboard ones. So that is everything inside of my Too Faced mystery box. Like I said, you guys can buy this right now for $35. I do think the value is there, especially if you know you're going to use these products. This will save you money in the long run than buying these products individually from their website. So I do think as a bundle, it's great. I also think this would make a really great gift idea because $35, I mean, honestly, that's super affordable. But then you're going to get a little bit of makeup in here. I think anyone that is into makeup is totally going to appreciate this as well. It's not going to break the bank. So I feel like, yes, this could be a total great gift option if you need to give anything. Plus, I do feel like Too Faced is a solid brand. They've been around for a while. They have great products. I've used 3 of these 4, and I can tell you they are great and they work really well. So honestly, I think this would be an excellent gift option if you're looking for one that's beauty related, that's not too expensive. I would go with this. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this mystery box from Too Faced. We can chit chat about it. And again, I got you covered with the link down below. But until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you guys in my next unboxing video. Bye.